Hi, my name is Landy. I just wanted to talk about my perspective of being a client and now working here at Hair's Talent. I love it here. I have the straight variation in my hair, and I'm coming from a relaxer before, so I know both sides, and I can definitely say that the straight variation hair is much shinier, it's healthier, it's stronger, it makes my hair look thicker, and I know for me this is what I'm gonna continue on doing. So I encourage others to do the same. I love this atmosphere. It's all about healthy hair, and I encourage you guys as stylists out there to also want to learn this process. So.
Hi everyone, my name is Nia. I'm from White Plains, New York, and I came all the way from Pennsylvania to come get my 4th GinaCurl. Vance and Gina have been telling me that you guys have been keeping up with my hair journey here, and thank you all for that. So I'm just as excited as you are, hopefully, for my 4th GinaCurl. I just wanted to talk a little bit more about my history and how I started with my journey with Gina and Vance and my hair. So originally I was getting relaxers or perms, as a lot of black women do, and I was just tired of the breakage, and I was tired of not retaining length like I wanted to and thickness like I wanted to. So I really wanted to find another technique that could achieve all my hair goals and still also be easier to maintain and take less time than my natural hair. So I was looking around and I found Gina on YouTube, and there weren't a lot of videos at that point, but I had a lot of faith, and I was like, you know, these women's hair, the hair that I can see, it's beautiful, so I want to achieve these results. And so I stopped perming my hair. I went natural for 2 years so that I can have a little bit of length when I started my GinaCurl, and then I reached a length that I was happy with, and I was like, I'm gonna book this appointment. So I called Vance up, he put me in his little book, and I drove from White Plains, and Gina spoke to me and made sure that I was totally confident in what I was doing, because I was a little bit worried and scared. But she made sure that I was confident in this technique. And you guys can tell from my first video that I was really excited with the results, and I was really happy. So I'm glad I got to speak to Gina, and she calmed me down a bit, and I'm really glad I went through with the technique so that I could receive these beautiful results.